The political leadership of Igbo is quite in shambles. Uh, Igbo also in the identity issue, identity crisis, or I would call it conflict of Igbo, is also in question. I mean, it's really on the right side. You are coming from that part, River State. A lot of people still argues today that there are no Igbo people in River State. Please tell us, what are your experience and what are you bringing to the Ohaneze chapter? Ohaneze ndị Igbo ndị ọma, ndị ihe ọma na-adị mma. Taa anyị nọ na Voice of the East, olu ndị Igbo, ebe mụ na ezigbote ndị Igbo kara aka nọ, ebe a ga-akpakọta ụka ihe gbasara ala Igbo. Kedu ebe anyị na-aga? N'akụkụ m ọ Chibueze nwanne m, aga m ahapụ gị ka ịkpọcha aha gị n'isi, kpọọ nke ike eme.
Ndị Igbo ndị nke m ekene m, aha m bụ Gaius Chibueze Ngene.
Udo a na-anabata gị. N'akụkụ m nke ọzọ, unu amara n'ihu a, ọ na-apụtawa na ihe nke anyị na-eme. Ọ barista biko kọwara ndị Igbo.
Aha di m Uchechukwu nna m ọkwụkwụ, awụ m onye Elele na Ikwere Local Government Area na Rivers State.
Na mgbada anyị nwere ezigbote nwa afọ Igbo, biko kọwaa aha gị na ebe isi.
Ndị Igbo mmanụ ahụ Achị Vincent Achinehu Ihanyechukwu, the first Achị Achineke, second Achị Achinehu Ihanyechukwu. Ndị Igbo rienu mmanụ.
Ohaneze ndị Igbo, ihe anyị nọ ebe a bụ ka anyị mee ka Igbo dị mma. Mụ akwanụ na-ekwu ekwu ọmụawụ Chukwuemeka Ojebe nwere anyanwụ nke Idueri, onye ahụ a na-akpọ the Unified Igbos now proponent. Kudochia na Igbo. I will start from you. You have proposed a very, very fashionable agenda for Igbo. As a technocrat, you said an economical leader. Please tell us, what do you mean by an economical leader?
Well, Ilaya na Igbo, you will see that one of the major challenge are you in Ali Igbo, economic deprivation, because our people have been deprived economically of the basic amenities, some of those basic opportunities. And although it's not an Igbo problem, it's a general Nigerian and African problem, I would like to address it when it comes to Ndi Igbo or Ali Igbo. To us as a people, we are over the years known as business people, as some people call us the builders. Unfortunately, some of them say it to make jest of us for building and developing other places and leaving our homeland. A few days ago, I was talking at the Southeast Economic and Investment Summit, where the Obi of Onitsha was there, and I said that as a people, we are individually rich but collectively poor. And I went forward again and I said that our greatness has not reflected in our father's land. And so when I talk about economic Ali Igbo, in essence what I am saying is that Ndi Igbo should realize that it is time to focus development on Ali Igbo. It is time to think of how we can economically grow Ali Igbo by establishing businesses, companies, and every other thing good that can bring about development, every other thing that can create opportunity for growth for our people. Instead of building these things in other places, I am saying that it is time to focus all those things in Ala Igbo. If you look around, you will see that our people have done so much in other places like Lagos and Abuja. But these things can also be done here. I've always argued this argument. If Ndi Igbo can leave Igbo land to go to China to buy anything and bring it into Nigeria and bring it into the southeast, people can also come from anywhere in the world to buy from Ala Igbo and take to anywhere. So it doesn't necessarily mean that because some people will argue and say, oh, people go where there is money. But the truth is, money goes where there is development. People go where there is development and economic opportunities. So my argument remains that it is time for Ndi Igbo to develop Ala Igbo and build the economic the economic sector of Ala Igbo.
Thank you. Akomane Dezugudu. I like to call you by that. Okay, let me go over to Barrister Uche Okuku. Barrister, you are vying for the position of the President General of Hanes and Igbo. And you are coming at a time where Ndi Igbo are, like, the political leadership of Ala Igbo is quite in shambles. Ndi Igbo also in the identity issue, identity crisis, or I would call it conflict of Ndi Igbo, is also in question. I mean, it's really on the right side. You are coming from that part, River State. A lot of people still argues today that there are no Igbo people in River State. Please tell us, what are your experience and what are you bringing to the Ohaneze chapter in terms of the identity of Ndi Igbo? Thank you.
Igbo mụrụ na Igbo nwe m. For emphasis, aha Uchechukwu Ọkụkụ Awụmonyi